Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You study more and with my heart. Didn't think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna drown, I need to hear it from you. Love you, we know you can tell me now. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold you. Take time, gotta trust who I let control her. Got me questioning what we've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You study more and with my heart. Didn't think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna drown, I need to hear it from you. Love you, we know you can tell me now. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see. Boy, I know where I wanna be. I just wanna know what your loving means. Oh, me up, don't let me go. You know I wanna be around. You study more and with my heart. Didn't give my everything, so I think I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Said I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Love you, we know I'm down. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I've missed y'all. I have a video of a October week that I'm supposed to be posting maybe today, but like just because it's the last day of October. It's literally Halloween. Happy Halloween, or happy belated Halloween, whatever. But today I just had to do a reset because the past week and this weekend was a lot for me. It was just a lot. So today I reset my mind, my room, my space, now my agendas and stuff, which you saw earlier. I didn't really want to talk in the beginning of this video. I didn't want to talk at all, if I'm being honest. I just wanted a time to myself, but I'm realizing maybe I should, because right now I'm writing down my goals and things that I want to get habitual to me in my life, and I'm realizing like I can't just write it out and then be like, here it is, and y'all not know what I'm talking about. So anyways, I started the November calendar. I don't know any important dates right now. I know a couple, but haven't wrote those down. I usually save that for last, but I feel like I'm just like a little behind because I usually do this the week before, but I'm telling you, the week I had was long, babes. It was a long week. Now I'm doing my habits that I want to get into for the last 2 months of this year, because we only have 2 months left and then 2023 is over. Crazy, because a lot happened this year and it doesn't even feel like it was within this year. It felt like it's been spread out. I don't know. It's been a long year, I guess. But I was writing down some of the habits that I want to incorporate. I'm thinking of going back to the 75 soft challenge, but I'm gonna do it my way, like with my goals. I mean, I'm gonna take some of those habits that they have on there and also incorporate it, but I want to do more than just them, or like switch it up a little bit. I'm starting very soft because forcing myself into something or like putting such a high goal in the beginning kind of doesn't help me through the process of things. Like I started not to like the whole working out 45 minutes type John, and I get that because that's just something new and I had to get used to. I enjoyed it, but I wasn't taking it as serious and really diving down into what I needed to get done. I'm gonna figure out a way to do it for me and what's more comfortable for me. And then just throughout, if it's too easy, then I get to boost it. It's not always going to be the same, you know, but I'm not going to take anything away. Like, I'm not going to remove that goal. I'm going to keep going. If I have to diet down a little bit, then maybe I'll do that. And if I don't, then I don't. And that's even better. So I'm going to get into the habits, the charts, all of that, and then hit you guys back up with what I have. So, laptop was about to fall out. Okay, as you saw, my 30-day so far soft challenge, I have read the word, which is the Bible, for 30 minutes to 45 minutes a day. I have read 10 to 15 pages of a new book. A broadened goal for that is 2 books this month, because I only do a book a month. October I didn't do a book at all. I finished a book, but I started that book in September. So, journal every night, get 7 hours of sleep, 30 to 45 minute workout, stretch on the Sunday or the day off. My days off vary, so I don't know when my day off is until I have a day off, which kind of sucks, but yeah. Or maybe I'll just stick that to like a Sunday type thing, stretch on Sundays. Then have 2 to 3 water intake, so water bottles. Alcohol and are on special occasions only. Invited events, big events, birthdays, stuff like that. Not just me going to my friend's house randomly and then whatever. And then record and post the progress and celebrate them at the end of the week, so that I don't lose track of myself and that I get to appreciate all the small things that I'm doing. And these are small things, so just appreciating that and my progress on that. Cool. Now I'm getting into writing into my little agendas, figuring out my YouTube post situation and my makeup page post situation, and just the ultimate goal of November and what I want to be in this month and maybe in the long run. Can we just read this quote? Like, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna read it to you. You're not obligated to win. You're obligated to keep trying to do the best you can every day. What? I just want to rip this out and put it on a freaking framed picture, because I love that. And that's literally the motivation of November. Is we're not trying to win. We're just trying to do our best every day. Like, I love that. So keep that in mind.